Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start immediately. Grab a CR 2032, a small flathead or plastic pry tool, and a clean cloth. Remove the mechanical key by pressing the release and sliding it out. This exposes the seam. Once done, insert the tool into the seam near the key slot and twist gently, pressure, not force. You want to separate the two plastic halves cleanly to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to work over a table so tiny parts don't get lost. Once the fob is open, identify the CR 2032 and note its orientation. This matters. Mark the positive side if needed. Use a plastic tool or your fingernail to ease the old battery from the clip. Avoid metal tools touching circuitry. Clean the contact pads gently with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl, then dry completely. Corrosion or debris causes failures. Insert the new CR 2032 the same way the old one sat, ensuring a snug, spring-loaded contact. Don't force it. Snap the fob halves back together, pressing until all clips engage, then slide the mechanical key back in. You test immediately. Stand within 3 feet of the vehicle and press lock/unlock. Listen for relay clicks. If nothing happens, make sure the battery is seated with correct polarity and contacts are clean. A bent contact or cracked housing will prevent connection. As a final troubleshooting tip, if it still fails, swap in another fresh CR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.